Welcome back at Ask the Professor. I really enjoyed your discussions and also the forum you did. And I think Oleg was really active, and I really appreciate that, because that is exactly what we need, that we interact with each other and go on with all the topics we have, also not in the course, but also especially at your place at home. And I think that's exactly what we like to do and also discuss, and also interesting for us. So this is the second time, so we get progress, and hopefully you enjoy it. I did. I like the forum, and also we have still COVID, so for us in Holland it's still going up with the victims, so it's not easy to go in track. We have all these kinds of procedures, and therefore I'm standing here at the park. Hopefully I can give answers, and if not, please continue, and please be very active in this fora, and even when you have questions, for example about durability or about safety or crashes, whatever you like, please post it so everybody can join, and then also we can collect nice items for everybody else on the world map. That's exactly what we need. Then we have more information from all you, from the background on your own country, and also we see some maybe differences or maybe a comparison, and we can make also this discussion next time at Ask the Professor. One question about how is wastewater used, or is it just put it in the environment without any water collection boxes or whatever? And that's a good question, because you can use wastewater as a lubricant, but you can also see it as a threat, because you get more problems on food corrosion because of the waste. And that's also a difference. It's also a disbalance, and what is the most difficult part in this balance? And that's exactly the question to you, and give the question back, especially to Oleg. Because this is really, what do you like? Do you like a lubricant, what you see sometimes in the metro systems, London Underground for example, they spray water, just normal water, just to lubricant the rail, so you have less wear and less noise, like squeal. Or you collect this wastewater because you have less problems with food corrosion or the clips, and they will have a longer lifetime because the waste will not attach these problems in the foot of the rail and in the construction. So I think make your choice yourself. Exactly, that is always, you have also always look to the system and how the system makes the impact in the total operations, and also about long-term investments, etc., etc. I think that's always the case. It's not that easy. Go to an expert, for example, for corrosion, and then that's it. I think you always have to look back in a bigger perspective, look at the system, and then you make your choice. What is the best solution in your situation, in your country? Good luck. Now I have some remarks, because we have a nice discussion in the forum, so I really enjoyed. And one of the questions was, how can we make more effective the energy savings? Could we instruct the driver, or can we make a differences adjustment in the system? And I think when you really like to optimize the operations, the best way is to look to the system, that's for sure, and look at the driver. I think when the driver is still a human, you can make mistakes, you can be distracted, you can be anything. But I think when you do automatic train operations, auto, then it is really driving from the book. And you can make the theory and also the full system really optimized. And then the robot, you could say, always drives the same way, so you can really see the changes of your energy savings. And I think when you drive with an auto system, that means without a driver in front, then for sure you get more energy savings and also more capacity on your network. But you have to implement this. It's not easy. You cannot switch from one day to another to auto. But you can think about, is this really a way to go in your own country? So nice try to see what is the vision in your country. So that would be my remark on this forum questions. Another remark I would like to make is about the switches. We discussed, okay, we need flexibility, therefore we need a switch. But what is the difference between efficiency or simplified and optimization? I think that's really the case in this question. And more switches doesn't mean easily get more flexibility, because the switches itself can also have a failure. And with more switches you get introduce more failures, maintenance, you need time to do your maintenance, so then the switch is also not operating. And what is your balance? I think the flexibility, you have to make the balance between more failures and more problems. I think So that's it for today. I really enjoyed your discussions, and I hope you will really be active, because that's exactly the case. It's more attractive for us as a group, but also for you to get more information from other countries, other students, and make this life happening more active. I think that's what we have as a community. So keep on track and good luck.